Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. And guys, today we're going to do something very pretty and nice and easy because my son, he wants always something new. Well, we're going to cook spiedini di polpette nella pasta sfoglia. Beautiful. Okay, we need just, this is half kilo mince, beef mince and pork mince, but I like that. You can put just beef, pork, lamb, what you like. We need some breadcrumbs, some Parmesan or Pecorino Romano. This is Pecorino Romano. Some pastry. And salt, pepper and stuff like that. Easy to do. Okay, we put some cheese or Parmesan, what you like. This is Pecorino Romano for a nice amount. Careful when you put the salt because this is already, the Pecorino Romano is a bit salt. We need, for half kilo, 1 egg is enough. I'm sorry if I'm in camera with dancing, but you know, I always say we are not professional chef, but we cooking very good for our family. Okay, 1 egg, salt, why not a little bit more. Garlic, I like, you can put onion. Not too much. Done. Some black pepper. I'm really forgot to take some fresh parsley, it's very good, but I have just dry, but it's much better some fresh parsley. Just a little more. We need some bread, plain one. That's it. We don't need anything else. Now, wash your hands and mix everything. One thing, we're gonna finish this in the oven. It's important you put on the oven, okay? Yeah, and well, you can put 180 to 200 degrees, is enough. And start mix everything. Very nice, all together. You need some energy. Now just make some meatball. Not too. Just like it. Perfetto. You see? You can make even smaller because I want they're gonna cook. Maybe in 15 minutes maximum. No, not too big in this case. Okay, the meatball they done. We need just the eggs, just 1 egg, just like that, and the pastry. Now this pastry we're going to cut just like this. Easy. 1, 2, you see? It's done like this. And you need one nice screw and put it on a 1 bowl. Very gentle. Keep going. Like easy. It's quite nice looking, but just delicate, you know. To Enrico, my son, like this. Jump down, you know, and put here. If you want, a little bit longer, you can cut. But for me, this is perfect. Just hit the egg on the pastry. Easy, done. Set on tray. And again, same process. It's done. What you think? Beautiful. This, guys, in the oven, 190 degrees, about 12-15 minutes. Later I tell you how the precise, but in the oven, and see you later. I'll let you know. Okay guys, press is 20 minutes gone. Okay, I think it's ready for my toast. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Ow, and put on something really different. It's really nothing special, but we like it. Okay, nice. On. You see? Beautiful. Ow! Final result is this, guys. It's just meatball. You see? Beautiful. I don't want to say that. Just guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Wow, very, very nice. Ciao.
Finger up and follow us.